Yeah, yes sir. What's up y'all? It's Gabe, that guy here, and today I'm gonna give y'all a few tips and tricks on how to properly export your files to send them off for mixing. Let's get to it. All right y'all, so you done recorded this hit and you're ready to get this bad boy mixed and send it off to the engineer. The first thing you wanna do is to make sure that each track is properly labeled, whether it's the verse, whether it's the hook, whether it's the ad-libs, or etc. And what this does, it makes it very easy and clear for the mixing engineer to know exactly what he's working on when he's working on it. So once you have everything properly titled, whether it's the hook, verse, ad-libs, like I said, it's time to consolidate each one of these clips. Now, what consolidation does, it takes each of these individual clips within a track and makes it all one WAV file. So it's much easier to work with one WAV file as opposed to a whole bunch of different clips. Let me show you how to do that. So what you want to do is highlight each track, just like that. Go on up here, hit edit, consolidate clip. And as you can see, those two little files all became one. And what we're going to do is for each one of these, I'm gonna make it real simple for y'all. Just highlight the whole thing, hit edit, consolidate clip, boom. You got them all right there, okay? All right, now we have everything already consolidated. Now what you're gonna wanna do is head over to this bottom right-hand corner, hit this left-hand arrow, and this shows you the clips lists. Now what you're gonna do is select on each one of these clips. Right here, hold shift, select all of them. And as you can see on the right-hand side, each one of these are actually highlighted. You see? Now you're gonna hit this drop-down file, go all the way down to export clips as files, and boom, it gives you this menu right here. 9 times out of 10, you're going to send it as a WAV file. You can do AIF or MP3, but I recommend WAV. Also keep it interleaved so it's not split between mono. Bit depth typically want to be 24, but if the engineer tells you any different, just select one of these 3. Sample rate typically between 44 and 48, but if the engineer tells you different, just go by his rules. Now you have those properly selected. Let's hit this choose so we can see where these files are going to be exported to. Go ahead and click the desktop just so it's easier. We're going to make a new folder. Now the title of this song is called Rebel, so I'll make it simple. Rebel stems. That's what these tracks are going to be. You can call it stems. Create that folder and click open. So all these files will go straight to that folder. And now we hit export. All right. Simple as that. It don't look like nothing's been done, but let's see. Let's open up the Finder window. And you see on the desktop, that folder is right there. All right, so what we're gonna do is open up the folder just to double check to make sure everything is in there. Got the ad-libs, the hook, the verse duplicate, as well as the actual beat itself. All right, exit out of this, and what we're gonna wanna do is consolidate this and make it a zip folder. What this does is makes all the files a whole lot smaller and makes it much easier to send through the internet. So just right click, go all the way down to compress Rebel stems. Boom. And as you can see, the compressed folder is already good to go. And this is what you want to send out to the engineer, whether it's email or like a WeTransfer or Dropbox. Shoot, you could just put on a thumb drive and just take it to the engineer himself. Sometimes that's the easiest way as well. All right, so simple as that, easy as pie. So if you like what you heard today, go ahead, smash that like button and click subscribe. It really helps us out and also allows us to keep providing you guys with valuable tips and tricks for your music career.